This is fabulous, huh? He just circumnavigated us. He says, this is the fountain of youth, where doggies eat grass to stay young and beautiful. Right? Isn't that what you said? The dogs know special herbs to keep them?
Yeah, the grass has a special, I forgot the name of it, but supposed to
prolong life.
Yeah, slow down the aging process.
Because they got it going on. They're herbologists, little doggies.
It's the same thing that's in apricot pits, but you have to be careful because it's also can be toxic to get too much of it.
You loving it? What do you think, Wiley?
Because they don't want you to have so much of that, because they don't want you to live long time.
Yeah, right. Not unless I sell it to you.
That's right.
Let me ask you a question.
Whoa!
The Reed Bridge!
It drops off there. Let's go around this way then. Let's go around this way then. You're venturing.
Parkour! Parkour! Face plant! Please no.
That one looks a little swampy. This one here is not too bad. Where's this one, buddy?
Ooh.
I like the swampy baby.
Just fabulous.
I look at the deep hole right there. Looks like I saw sort of bubbles coming up.
Wiley is wiling all over this place.
Mm-hmm.
Trash!
This one has a little bit bigger fish. They're like 4-inch size fish. I don't know if you can see them. You can put the glasses on. You can see them because it cuts through the glare. But there's some like 4-inch size fish swimming around. There must be like little bass or something because they're like a little brim. Yeah, the sunglasses got a lot of that surface glare.
I don't know why it instantly gave me a headache.
Well, that's yeah, I see a bunch of them. But yeah, they're good size. They're, not big, but still like 4 inches long.
Little funky over here. Funky. A little bit more funky. But still beautiful. Don't get in there. Hey, come back this way. Let's go this way. Gotta have a pet break. Oh, a hug and kiss break. Oh, this is just fabulous. Look at it. Other than the garbage. Gosh, carry your crap out. Oh, this is awesome. Awesome. I love it.
Woohoo! Backflip, Wiley.
Puppy Olympics. How about no?
Does that make you feel like king of the mountain, huh? Huh, buddy?